State amasung Central Security Force singi tongan ba unit taramathoida Manipur ki Governor Ajay Kumar Bhallana the Governor's Unit Citation 2026 ki mana lanthokre. State asida makata na ing tapa amadi chawkhatpagi lambi da changsinbada Security Force singna lepa laitana thodang lawkigani haina Governor Bhallana phongdoki. Governor ki mityeng makada Home Department asinduna Imphal ki MSF DS Auditorium da pangthokiba investiture ceremony da unit singki mahut sinba officer singda Governor's Unit Citation sing khusinaki lemjaningai oiraba citation ki mana phangraba unit sing adudi 19 Garhwal Rifles 17 Assam Rifles, 38 Assam Rifles, 40 Assam Rifles, 2nd Mahar Regiment, 25th BRTF, Kakching Senapati District Police, Chutranpur District Police, 10 VSF Amadi, 143rd CRPF ni, mana si law and order insurgency amasung illegal oiba thabak thauram sing thingnaba hotnabada mathau ningthina tawwa force singi unit sing khangatuna pibani thauram aduda wa ngangladuna governor na state amasung central force sing na state asibu nena tana thamnaba hotnabada mathau fazana tawwa unit sing khangatuna makhoi bu pukning thaugatpa amadi ikai khumnaba oina mana asi pibani haiki.
The Governor's Unit Citation recognizes collective excellence, teamwork, discipline, and an unwavering commitment to duty. Whether in counterinsurgency, operations, humanitarian assistance, or maintaining internal security, your service reflects the highest traditions of our forces. To all the awardees, I extend my warmest congratulations. Your achievements are a matter of great pride and will serve as an inspiration for generations to come. You have set a benchmark of excellence that reflects the very best of service to the nation. As we move forward, let's reaffirm our commitment to the ideals of duty, honor, and selfless service. May you continue to serve with integrity, courage, and dedication, and may Manipur continue to its journey towards lasting peace and progress.
Thauramadu da saruk yakiba Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana lisingani kunga humdoigi me ahumdagi thorakiba Manipur ki irang asida state amasung Central Security Force singna mioi lishing nifuga taret ki punsi kanbak ngamki haina phongdoki. Chief Minister na makha taraduna state asigi law and order ngak naba amadi ing tap na laina ba hotnaba da Security Force singna achauba thodang lauri. Security Force singna lamdam asibu mahausagi punsi da hanjinna ba hotnariba asi mai pakpa ngamnaba miyamna su mapungfana cooperation PBO haina Chief Minister na appeal tauki. Thauramadu the Deputy Chief Minister Losi Diko MLA amadi Minister Singh Central Armed Forces amadi Civil amasung Police ki makok thongba official kayana saruk yaki.
Irangduda kugi thokiba thodok sing kayada khwaidagi hena kugi security forces sing about kugi central forces state forces more than 47,000 community anigi sangnaba yadaba matamduda life save togiba ya humanitarian service togiba do ayamuka nasu ngasigi mifam masida thakada pongdok sari ngasi phawbugi kugi law and order gi peaceful atmosphere porakibasi security forces gi asoba thodang loina security forces sing na asoba thodang lawlasu we the people of Manipur hoipuna gyan taminaraga peace restore tonaba wari sanaba amana amasangba yanadaba leyu mayamadu sanaba yanaba honabaduna koi punamaki mapung baba santi porko oigani